Imagine you've always dreamed of starting your own online store. But you're not a tech whiz, you don't have a huge budget, and you're not sure where to start. What if I told you there's a tool that can help you turn your dream into a reality, without all the hassle? Today, we're going to dive into AliDropship. It's a powerful platform that's been making waves in the e-commerce world. But what exactly is it, and how can it help you build your online store? What is AliDropship? AliDropship is essentially a plugin for WordPress. Think of it as a toolkit that provides everything you need to create and run your own e-commerce store, all from the comfort of your WordPress dashboard. Key features of AliDropship. Let's break down some of the key features that make AliDropship so popular. Product import. One of the biggest advantages of AliDropship is its ability to import products directly from AliExpress. You can easily browse through millions of products, select the ones you like, and add them to your store with just a few clicks. Product customization. Once you've imported a product, you can customize it to suit your brand. You can change the product title, description, images, and even create your own variations. Order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your store, AliDropship handles the order fulfillment process. This means you don't have to worry about stocking inventory or shipping products. Marketing tools. AliDropship also provides a suite of marketing tools to help you promote your store. These include email marketing, social media integration, and SEO optimization. How does AliDropship work? Here's a simplified overview of how AliDropship works. Choose a niche. The first step is to choose a niche for your online store. This could be anything from fashion to electronics to home goods. Install AliDropship. Once you've decided on a niche, you'll need to install the AliDropship plugin on your WordPress website. Import products. From the AliDropship dashboard, you can search for and import products from AliExpress. Customize products. Customize the imported products to match your brand. Set up your store, design your store's layout, add your logo, and configure your payment and shipping options. Start selling. Once your store is set up, you can start promoting it and attracting customers. Benefits of using AliDropship. There are many benefits to using AliDropship, including low startup costs. One of the biggest advantages of AliDropship is that it has a low startup cost. You don't need to invest in inventory or a physical storefront. Easy to use. AliDropship is designed to be user-friendly, even if you don't have any technical experience. Scalability. As your business grows, AliDropship can scale with you. You can easily add more products and features as needed. Time saving. AliDropship can save you a lot of time and effort by automating many of the tasks involved in running an online store. Is AliDropship right for you? AliDropship is a great option for anyone who wants to start an online store without a lot of upfront investment. However, it's not suitable for everyone. If you're looking to sell physical products that you manufacture or source yourself, AliDropship may not be the best choice. AliDropship is a powerful tool that can help you turn your e-commerce dreams into a reality. With its easy-to-use interface, low startup costs, and automation features, it's a great option for entrepreneurs of all levels. So, if you've been thinking about starting an online store, AliDropship is definitely worth considering. Ready to get started? Visit the AliDropship website to learn more and sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.